Hello guys, welcome to Code with Anurag YouTube channel. So here we'll be discussing the most important lead code questions. So the today our motto will be to discuss the most asked interview question in Google, which is this question: delete nodes and return forest. So the question states that given the root of a binary tree, each node in the tree has a distinct value. After deleting all nodes with a value in to delete, we are left with a forest. Return the roots of the trees in the remaining forest. You may return the result in any order. So we are given this tree, and we are given this tree, and we are also given an array which is to delete, and it contains the values which are to be deleted from this given tree, and we have to return each of the remaining nodes, and we just need to return the root. So suppose let me take out uh, my pen. So as in this example, 3 and 5 are in the to delete array. So we have to delete this 3 and we have to delete this 5. So after deleting these, we have to return. Let me change the color. So after deleting this 3 and 5, we have to return this first node, this sixth node, and this seventh node. So we just have to return the nodes of the remaining, you can say, graphs. So I hope you have understood the question. So let's dive deep into the solution. Let me hide this. So initially what we are given the root, and we have also given the to delete array. So we will go by this example only. So first of all, what we will do is we will create a map, and it in the key values we will store the values of to delete array. So we just want to keep a track of all the values which are present in to delete array. So we'll store those values as key. So here in this map for our current example, 3 and 5 will be stored, and after that we have also defined our answer vector, which will contain the tree node star values. Means finally it will contain 1, 6 and 7, because those will be our final answer. And so what we are doing is we are calling our one helper function, and we are passing the given root, and we are passing our answer, and we are also passing our map. So we are passing it in the helper function, and so what will happen? So initially our first node will come, and here we'll see the value if this value is present or not in our map. So 1 will not be present because only 3 and 5 are present. So 1 will not be present, so it will not go inside in this if block. So it will come here, and we'll check if the left child of 1 is present or not. If it is present, then we'll call our helper function on the left child of 1. So here we will pass 2, and similarly if the right child is present, then we'll call our helper function with the right child of 1, which will be 3. So and also we'll return our root value. So here 1 will be returned. So let's consider the case in which the our node with the value 2 will be called. So when node with the value 2 will be called, again 2 is not present in our map. So we'll come here, and 2's left child is present 4. So 4 will go inside this, and 2's right child is also present 5. So 5 will go inside this. So first of all it will come for 4, and for 4 it will check the values are not present, its root child is not present, and right child is also not present. So we'll just return 4. So as we had called this 4 for the 2's left, so here 2's left will become 4. Now when we will call 2's right, which will be 5. So 2's right is 5. So when this helper function will be called for 5, so it will see that 5 is present in this map. So we don't want this 5 now. So that is why we are returning null at the end of this if block, so that 2's right will be set as 5 null. because we don't want this 5 node, so 2's right will be set as null. And what we'll do with this 5, we'll check the left and right of this 5. So as left and right are null, so nothing will happen here for 5, and it will just return. Now we come to this part when now in order, because our 3 element is present in our 2 digit array, so we'll come to this section, uh, one right. So when one's right will be called, so it is 3, so 3 will get called, and when 3 will be called, then we'll check whether the value is present in our map or not. So 3 is present in our 2 digit array, so it will go inside this if block. So for 3 also will return null first of all, because we have to set first right as null. So first right will be set as null, and but we'll have to see what we'll do with the subtree of 3. So for 3, the left node is set and it is set as 6. So it will go inside this, and we will check like before inserting into the answer, we only want to insert those answers which are not present in this 2 digit array. So we'll check whether this 6 is present in our map. So 6 is not present, so we'll push our answer into 6 into our answer array, and we'll call our above helper function for 6 also. Same goes with 3's right. We will like 3's right is 7, so 7 is not present in our map, so we'll push it into our answer, and then we'll call the helper function for 7, and the things will go on in the same way for all the nodes. So in this way, like 6 will be pushed to our answer here, and 7 will be pushed to our answer here, and finally when all this helper function will be processed for all the nodes, then we will return here 1, and as 1 is returned here in the temp, so we'll check whether temp is not null. So as 1 is present in the temp, so answer will be pushed back to so this root will be pushed back to answer. So here 1 will also be pushed back. So then we will return our answer, and yeah, in this way our solution will work. Let me run this code and see whether it works. So yes, the cases are getting accepted, and now we'll submit our code. So yeah, it is getting accepted. So I hope you have understood this question, and let me know how did you find my explanation, and if there is any feedback for me, then you can provide me in the comments, and do like and subscribe my channel. In future also you will get more important LeetCode question. So I hope this channel will be useful to you. Thanks and goodbye.